Hi everyone, today I am bringing to you another Navratri special dessert. It's called the carrot kheer with no sugar. So trust me, you're going to love it and won't feel any guilt at all. For this, we need 1 cup of grated carrot, 750 ml of milk, 1 ripe banana. This is about 20 to 30 fox nuts which are roasted. Put it in the microwave for a minute, roast it and do it another time for a minute. So you want to do it in 2 slots of a minute each. I have 6 dates, 1 teaspoon of raisins, 1 tablespoon of almonds. You could use fresh almonds or roasted almonds, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of desi ghee and 1 cup of water. Let's start by peeling and chopping the banana and the dates. We want small pieces of banana so that it can just mix in and add more flavor and sweetness. Next, take a pan, heat it and add the desi ghee. Now we will add the carrots. Keep the flame on a medium and roast this for about 6 to 7 minutes. We've roasted the carrots for 5 to 7 minutes and now it's time to add in the water. Mix this well and then we will cover it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes so the carrot can get softened. Let it cook on a medium flame or a slow flame if you like for 5 to 6 minutes. While the carrots are cooking, take the makhanas and crush them. That's how we want to add it to the kheer. That will add some texture. That's how the crushed makhanas will look like. You can see the carrots have started to soften up. We will cook this until the water is all dried up. It's better to cover it. The water has almost dried up. Now add in all the lotus nuts or the makhanas. Give it a good mix. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Time to add in the milk. This is 750 ml of milk. Give this a good mix and let's bring it to a boil. The milk has started to come to a boil. Let's now add in the bananas, the dates, raisins and almonds. Hold the cardamom powder till the very end. Let's cook this on a medium flame for another 7 to 8 minutes and keep stirring. Cooking this on a medium flame is very helpful because it helps soak the sweetness of the bananas and the dates into it, and then it also kind of gets the right texture that we need. This has been cooking for 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame. As you see, it has thickened and it's boiling. We're almost done, so let's add the cardamom powder. Adding the cardamom in the end gives it a great fragrance that lasts really long, so you don't want to cook too long after putting in the cardamom powder. We are done here, so at this time, let's just cover it for 10 minutes before we serve it so it can soak in all the flavor and aroma. The kheer is ready. You can let it cool and have it once it is cold. Tastes delicious, or you could just have hot kheer if you're a fan.